It's amazing. I'm outside doing some cleanup on some brush, and thought maybe I would just take a minute and talk about a handy little tool that I just picked up. Jeez, it worked fantastic. So it's a combination. Got the angle already, has the regular chainsaw file, and it has the rake file, and it has a guide, and it's all built in, all one unit. Took a moment to file up my chainsaw here. This thing is sharp as can be, and I just recently picked up this chainsaw. I mean, it was dull. Thought it was a good opportunity to grab this file. Hap reel. It was like 20 bucks. It's fantastic. It's amazing. Quick as can be. This thing is almost as sharp as a new chain out of the box. A good sharp chain makes cleaning up brush and makes cutting up firewood a lot easier. Anyway, figured I'd share. So the Hap Reel chainsaw guide, chainsaw filing guide, 20 bucks on Amazon. Totally recommend it. Works fantastic.